Hey everyone, welcome back. You know how this works, right? We take a deep dive into the sources you send and see what we can uncover together.
Always an adventure.
This time, this one's a doozy.
Definitely caught my eye too.
President Trump just announced this massive AI project, Project Stargate.
Yeah.
$500 billion.
Yeah. $500 billion. It's unprecedented.
I've got articles here all saying different things. Healthcare revolution, global AI race, even a blood test for cancer.
Lot of hype, gotta sift through it. But the core seems clear. Building American AI infrastructure.
Right. Keep the U.S. on top, compete with China, all that.
Exactly. And Trump was, very Trump about it. Jobs, American dominance.
He even mentioned, using emergency declarations to speed things up.
To build faster, get energy production going. Shows how seriously they're taking this whole AI thing.
Feels like a Sputnik moment almost.
Kind of, yeah. And that's where you get companies like Oracle stepping in. They're not just tech anymore. They're almost like national players now.
Especially with that Cerner acquisition.
Electronic health records, right?
Mm-hmm.
And moving their HQ to Nashville, the healthcare hub.
Larry Ellison, their CEO, he's been talking about this for a while. AI for early cancer detection.
Blood tests, just like that. Know if you've got it.
Still early days, but if it works, it's huge. Changes everything.
Science fiction stuff, but, that's where we are now, I guess. But what about the other companies? Microsoft, Nvidia, what are they bringing to this?
They're all in on healthcare AI too. Microsoft doing drug discovery, personalized medicine, Nvidia, their computing power. That's essential for all the data processing. Medical imaging, genomics, it all adds up.
So each company has its own piece of the puzzle.
Exactly. And they're all coming together under Project Stargate.
Okay, massive project, healthcare revolution, global AI race heating up. What does it all mean for us, though? Everyday people.
That's the million-dollar question, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
We'll dig into those implications in the next part of our deep dive. Stay tuned for that. We'll be right back. All right, so Project Stargate, big picture stuff, but how's it going to change things for, regular people?
Well, think about healthcare. That's where you're going to see the most immediate impact.
Ellison was talking about that cancer detection, the blood tests, right?
Yeah, that's down the line, but AI is already in hospitals and clinics doing a lot.
One article mentioned AI reading x-rays, even predicting how patients will do.
Mm-hmm. Like a superpowered doctor working 24/7.
Pretty amazing, but, kind of makes you wonder about the ethics of it all.
Oh, absolutely. Huge debate right now. Data privacy, algorithms being biased.
Right, got to make sure this technology is used for good, not just, for profits.
Exactly. Regulation, guidelines, it's all crucial.
Even then, what if an AI makes a mistake? That's a scary thought.
That's why human oversight is so important. It's not about AI replacing doctors, it's about them working together.
More like collaboration, right?
Yeah. Humans and AI, each with their own strengths. Which brings us to another interesting part of this whole Stargate thing. OpenAI and AGI.
AGI, that's the really powerful AI, right?
Artificial General Intelligence. It's the holy grail of AI, so to speak. An AI that can basically do anything a human can, maybe even more.
Whoa. Okay, so what happens when we have something smarter than us running around?
Big question. It's both exciting and a little scary, right? Think about it. An AI that could solve climate change, find new energy sources, cure diseases.
Sounds amazing.
It does. But, flip side, what if it decides humans are the problem? What if its goals don't line up with ours?
Yeah, that's the sci-fi movie stuff. But it sounds like we got to start thinking about this now, before it's too late.
We do. And it's not just scientists or politicians, it's all of us. This is going to impact everyone.
Okay, so healthcare, ethics, super intelligent AI, and then there's the whole global aspect, right?
Right. Remember, the U.S. isn't alone in this. China's investing a ton in AI, too.
So is it like a race, then, to see who gets the most powerful AI first?
There's definitely that element to it. And the stakes. Well, control of AI could change everything, the whole balance of power in the world.
It's like the space race, but with algorithms instead of rockets.
Exactly. And the impact. It could be huge for humanity, for better or worse.
It's a lot to digest. But I think we're getting a clearer picture now.
We are. And as we head into the final part of this deep dive, we'll try to wrap it all up. What does it all mean for the future? We'll explore that next.
So, Project Stargate. Wow. We've talked about so much, the companies, the potential, the ethics. It feels like, a turning point almost.
It really does. Technology, politics, even like what it means to be human, all wrapped up in this AI thing. And Stargate's at the center of it all.
So where do we go from here? What's the takeaway?
The biggest thing, I think, is realizing that AI isn't like destiny. It's not going to just happen to us. We're building this future with every choice we make.
So we have a say. It's not just like we're on this train and can't get off.
Exactly. We have to be involved, understand AI, the good and the bad, and, demand that it's used the right way for the right reasons.
That makes sense, but it's also kind of overwhelming. Like, what can one person do against something this big? Stargate, the whole AI race,
Maybe not directly, but your voice still matters. Stay informed, ask questions. Don't just accept what you're told.
So like support groups working on ethical AI. Educate people.
Exactly. The more people understand this stuff, the better the choices we'll make as a society.
It's about making sure AI helps us, not the other way around.
Right. And this isn't some far-off thing. This is happening now. Stargate's already rolling, and the decisions we make today will echo for years.
We're all part of this story, and it's not finished yet.
And maybe, just maybe, if we keep asking these tough questions, keep pushing for transparency and accountability, it'll be a story with a happy ending. For everyone.
Something to think about, for sure. This has been really eye-opening. Thanks for taking us through all this.
Glad to do it. Remember, stay curious, stay involved, stay hopeful.
And to everyone listening, thanks for joining us on this deep dive. Keep learning, keep exploring, keep asking the big questions. That's what it's all about. Until next time.